Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the U-Haul app. So let's get started. So here I will see the U-Haul app. Okay. So basically, I will likely search in my browser U-Haul app. So basically, you can see this app. So to use it, it's very easy. So here you can see the data and many things. So to use it, you can directly download and install the app in your device. And basically this app is your for rental services. You can get a truck, a trailer, like a car by this, and you can pay the hourly charge, and it is very easy. You can select the country and they will give you. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.